Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2018 Jeep Renegade Latitude, stock number E1114A. Only 2,000 miles on this Renegade. Clean auto check history report. This was one of our courtesy vehicles, Jetset Blue in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper, and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And of course, very clean inside and out with only 2,000 miles. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 2,000 miles with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, along with heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials. Under the hood, this Renegade has a 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder, 180 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates. An average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and only 2,000 miles on those tires. And don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.